On the weekly chart in here, we're going to be looking at CRM. That is going to be Salesforce. We ended the day 246.20, up around $3.63 on the day from yesterday's close. Where does that kind of put us here on this weekly chart? Well, you can see right here, this upper trend line and this main resistance line are all kind of matching up at this 256 area. That is going to be our key long-term resistance in here. We banged our head up against it about 2 out of the past 3 weeks. We need to breach and hold in here. For whatever reason, cannot seem to do the hold part, right? So we need a little breach in here and then a hold, and then we can worry about the 265s and 275s. But the 256s, it was just a big support for us here all of June and July. And then you can see right here, as we mentioned earlier, 2 out of the past 3 weeks, just banging our head up against it, cannot seem to breach it and then hold that level. Now, on the downside in here for our supports, when we're looking at that 240 psych level, then right here with this lower trend line is matching up with this pink line. That's your 200 SMA. That's right around that 233 area. So that is going to be a nice support for us. We bounced off that a couple times before. And then anything below there, you're looking right here at this 228. So that's kind of what we're looking at in here. But really, that 256, multiple touch points on there for your support and resistance, that is going to be the key level for us in here going forward. And if we keep on having days like we had today, then we might be able to get a little breakout and hold, especially on some volume in here of that 256 sooner rather than later. Now, we do have a right around a $3 expected move priced in by tomorrow's trading session. Next Friday, right around 7:20. The following Friday, right around $9.80 of an expected move priced in. So we're going to see what happens overall in here at Salesforce. But again, 256, that's going to be our level to the upside. Downside 240, then we're looking at that 233. So let's see how we end the week and see where this candle leaves us here on this overall structure on this weekly chart. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.